In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform bank reconciliation in Xero. Bank reconciliation is how you confirm that the money shown in Xero matches what actually happened in your bank. This keeps your reports accurate and helps you catch errors early. Before you start, make sure your bank feed is up to date and that you have any supporting documents handy, like invoices or receipts, in case you want to double-check a figure. First, open Xero in your browser and sign in. From the Xero dashboard, look to the top navigation and open the Accounting menu. In that menu, choose Bank Accounts. This takes you to a list of all the bank and card accounts you've connected to Xero. Find the specific account you want to reconcile. On the right side of that account's row, open the three-dot action menu, then select Reconcile Account. This brings you to the reconciliation screen. Here, you'll see your imported bank statement lines, and Xero will try to match each one to an existing transaction that you've already recorded in the system. When you see a statement line that looks ready to confirm, click Match. Xero will display one or more possible matches based on the amount, date, and contact. Take a moment to verify the details. The amount should be identical, the date should be close to what's on your statement, and the contact or description should make sense for the payment or receipt you're reviewing. Accuracy matters here, because this is what ensures your bank balance in Xero mirrors your real bank balance. If the suggested item is correct, check the box next to the transaction you want to use, and then click Reconcile to approve that match. Xero will mark that statement line as reconciled, and you can move on to the next one. Work steadily down the list using Match, checking the box for the correct item and reconciling as you go. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Reconcile frequently so you're working with fresh, familiar activity. Review the payee, reference, and tax treatment while you have the line open. And if something doesn't look right, pause and confirm the details rather than forcing a match. Continue until you've cleared the items for today's session. That's it. You've performed a bank reconciliation in Xero by navigating to Accounting, opening bank accounts, using the three-dot menu to choose Reconcile Account, and confirming matches with Match, a checkbox, and Reconcile.